The last file inside of the mod directory is called summary_update. First of all, we're going to rename it to use the hyphen rather than underscore. So it's going to be summary-update, then refactor. And if we open this file, first of all, we're going to remove this require once config, and we're going to make use of a few classes. So use SSD login, then we have use SSD user, then we also I'm going to use SSD session, then use SSD basket, then use SSD shipping, and use SSD helper. We can also remove this try and catch statement for the same reason as I've explained earlier. So we're removing this one, scrolling down to the bottom, and removing the catch as well. Remove this and indent, remove the indent from all these lines. Now, rather than having this isn't empty get shipping, what we're going to do is create the shipping variable and get this value from the URL using object URL get method. So shipping. It's a little bit nicer now, so clear basically, rather than using the global variables here. So we're just using now checking if this shipping variable isn't empty, login, obviously class, and login front, removing the underscore from the beginning. Now we are also using the shipping variable. As you can see, we've got it here, and shipping selected equals object shipping get shipping. So let's replace it with the shipping as well. Another thing, scrolling down, we need to remove this pound symbol here and use our display method. So this object currency display, and then closing bracket before the semicolon. And here object basket rather than underscore final subtotal is just the final subtotal. Same for final VAT. We're removing this underscore, and final total, the same thing. So if I now just copy this object currency display and basically remove this pound concatenation here for number format, and then closing bracket, same for the last item on the list, and then the closing bracket. And that's everything inside of our summary update.php file.